6 Best Portable Car Jump Starters. Has your car battery ever died at the worst possible moment? A dead battery can ruin your day. Today we explore the 6 best portable car jump starter options available. These compact jump starters deliver strong peak amps and quick emergency power. We compare safety features, charging speed, and real roadside reliability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best portable car jump starter. Let's get started. 1. GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The GOOLOO A3 is a strong and helpful tool that can start your car if the battery dies. It works well for many cars and trucks, even ones with big engines. This means it can help a lot of different vehicles when they won't start. It also has a small air pump that can fill up flat tires. When the tire is full, the pump stops all by itself. This makes it easy and safe to fix a flat tire, even if you're not an expert. The jump starter is small and light, so you can carry it or keep it in your car without trouble. If you want one tool that can help start your car and fill your tires, the GOOLOO A3 is a great choice. It costs about $130 to $160. Verdict: the GOOLOO A3 is perfect for anyone who wants a strong jump starter with a useful air pump in one small device. 2. NOCO Boost GB40 1000 amp UltraSafe Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost GB40 is a small but very helpful tool that can start your car when the battery is dead. It works well for small cars with gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. This means it can help many cars and trucks that need a quick jump start. This tool is not just a jump starter. It can also charge your phone, tablet, or other devices when they run out of power. It has a bright flashlight with different modes, including a blinking light that helps you stay safe if you get stuck at night or in the dark. It's small and light, so you can carry it easily in your car or backpack. If you want a tool that can start your car and also charge your devices, the NOCO Boost GB40 is a great choice. It costs about $100 to $120. Verdict: the NOCO Boost GB40 is perfect for small cars and people who want a safe, easy jump starter with helpful extra features.
3. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. The WOLFBOX 4000A is a strong and helpful tool to start your car when the battery is dead. It can start big gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. This means it is great for big cars, trucks, and SUVs that need a lot of power to start. This jump starter also has a fast charger, so you can fill its battery quickly and be ready to help your car again soon. It has a bright screen that shows you how much power is left, so you know when it needs charging. It also has a bright light to help you see in the dark or when you are fixing your car at night. The WOLFBOX 4000A is small and light enough to carry or keep in your car. It also has safety features to stop sparks or wrong connections. This keeps you safe while using it. If you want a jump starter that is very strong and charges fast, the WOLFBOX 4000A is a great choice. It costs about $130 to $160. Verdict: the WOLFBOX 4000A is perfect for big cars and trucks and for anyone who wants a fast-charging jump starter. 4. NOCO Boost XGBX 155 4250A UltraSafe Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost XGBX 155 is a very strong tool that helps start big cars and trucks when the battery is dead. It can start gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. This means it works great for big trucks and SUVs. This jump starter also can charge your phone and other devices when their batteries are low. It has safety features to stop sparks and helps you put the cables on the right way. It comes with jumper cables and a case to keep everything safe and easy to carry. Even though it is very powerful, the NOCO Boost X GBX 155 is still small and easy to carry in your car or truck. It is made for people who want a jump starter that can help with the biggest vehicles. If you want a strong and safe jump starter for big trucks or SUVs, the NOCO Boost X GBX 155 is a good choice. It costs about $300 to $350. Verdict? The NOCO Boost X GBX 155 is great for big trucks and drivers who want a powerful and safe jump starter.
5. Joltekon Car Battery Jump Starter with Air Compressor 4500A. The Joltekon Jump Starter is a very strong and helpful tool that can start your car when the battery is dead. It can jumpstart gas engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. This means it works great for many cars, trucks, and SUVs. One great feature is the built-in air pump. It can fill your tires with air up to 150 psi. The pump stops automatically when your tire is full. This makes it easy and safe to fix flat tires, especially if you are stuck on the road. The jump starter is small and light, so you can carry it or keep it in your car without trouble. It has a bright light to help you see when it is dark. The Joltekon also has safety features to stop sparks and wrong connections, so you can use it without worry. If you want one tool that can jumpstart your car and fill your tires, the Joltekon 4500A is a very good choice. It costs about $150 to $180. Verdict: the Joltekon 4500A is perfect for anyone who wants a strong jump starter and an easy-to-use air pump in one. 6. ZEVZO ETO3 Car Jump Starter 4000A. The ZEVZO ETO3 is a strong and helpful tool that can start your car when the battery dies. It works well for gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 7 liters. This makes it a good choice for many cars, trucks, and SUVs. This jump starter has a battery that can also charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. It has USB ports for charging and a screen that shows how much power is left. It also has a bright light to help you see in the dark or if you need to use it at night. The ZEVZO ETO3 is small and light, so you can carry it or keep it in your car easily. It has safety features to stop sparks and wrong connections, making it safe to use. If you want a jump starter that can start your car and also charge your devices, the ZEVZO ETO3 is a great choice. It costs about $130 to $160. Verdict: the ZEVZO ETO3 is perfect for people who want a strong jump starter and a power bank all in one easy tool.
Which best portable car jump starter should you buy? GOOLOO A3 is best for most cars in filling tires fast with its built-in air pump. NOCO Boost GB40 is best for small cars and safe to use. It also charges phones. WOLFBOX 4000A is best for big cars and trucks that need strong power. NOCO Boost X GBX 155 is best for very big trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Joltekon 4500A is best for jump-starting cars and pumping tires quickly. ZEVZO ETO3 is best for starting cars and charging devices at the same time.